Have you ever heard of the doorman fallacy? Years ago, all the high-end hotels used to all have doormen. And then at some point, someone got the bright idea that these doormen were overpaid and they could replace them with automated doors or the circular doors, thinking that their only role was actually opening the door. So these hotels did it, and what they found was that their sales actually went down a lot. And so through further investigation, they ended up going back and realizing that the doormen did more for their business than they actually thought. They greeted people, they built rapport, they made people feel safe. They gave them advice on where to go in the city. They made sure their cars were pulled around. And so by eliminating that role, they thought was going to make them more profitable. And that's the fallacy. Sometimes in business, you can replace something and think that you're saving money, especially when it comes to people. But a lot of times there's hidden things that you might not see. So before cutting a person, automate this or replace that, think about the bigger picture and what it's actually going to do for your business.